Alright, this is my first AQUASPORT viewing. This is a 22.5 foot AQUASPORT with a hardtop. And it's got a nice deep channel here. Got a hardtop with plastic windows and a lot of cool features in the AQUASPORT you might not notice. This boat's a 2004. It's got a option for a sink if you want it inside the cuddy. It's got a lot of the basic features that a boat of this era would have. This is more of a from the South United States. The normal fish or storage boxes. A really nice fish box under here. Wide open, big doors to look in, and maintenance your pumps. It's got the live well. It's a lot similar than a striper, but more compact. Ton of room in this boat. You will be very happy fisherman in this thing. And exterior, all self-explanatory. Interesting shape of the back. It comes with this cool greenhouse. No, it doesn't. Water, fuel, name of the boat. This boat's so big I can't even get it in my video. It's a massive, heavy boat, perfect for rough seas or calm seas for that matter. And that's it, the AQUASPORT 225 Explorer.